Welcome back to the Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we're diving into a critical and fascinating topic, cybersecurity. In our increasingly digital world, understanding and implementing cybersecurity is essential for everyone, from individuals to large corporations. So, what exactly is cybersecurity? At its core, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. As we rely more and more on technology in our daily lives, the importance of robust cybersecurity measures cannot be overstated. Cyber threats come in many forms. Let's go over some of the most common ones. First, we have malware, which is malicious software designed to harm or exploit any programmable device, service, or network. Viruses, worms, and Trojan horses are all examples of malware. Malware can disrupt or damage a system, steal sensitive information, or gain unauthorized access to networks. The impact of malware can be devastating, leading to data breaches, financial loss, and compromised privacy. Next, there's phishing, where attackers disguise themselves as trustworthy entities to steal sensitive data like login credentials and credit card numbers. Phishing attacks often come in the form of deceptive emails, messages, or websites designed to look legitimate. Victims are tricked into providing personal information or clicking on malicious links, leading to unauthorized access to their accounts or systems. It's a highly effective method for cyber criminals because it exploits human psychology rather than relying solely on technical vulnerabilities. Ransomware is another significant threat where attackers encrypt the victim's data and demand a ransom to restore access. Ransomware attacks have been on the rise, targeting individuals, businesses, and even government institutions. These attacks can cripple operations as victims are unable to access their data or systems until the ransom is paid. Even then, there's no guarantee that the attackers will provide the decryption key. The financial and reputational damage caused by ransomware can be severe, emphasizing the need for robust backup and recovery strategies. Lastly, we have hacking, where unauthorized users gain access to systems to steal, manipulate, or destroy data. Hacking can take many forms, from exploiting software vulnerabilities to using social engineering tactics. The motives behind hacking vary, including financial gain, corporate espionage, political activism, or simply the challenge of breaching a system. High-profile hacking incidents often make headlines, highlighting the vulnerability of even the most secure networks. So, why is cybersecurity so crucial? In today's digital age, almost every aspect of our lives involves some form of digital interaction, be it banking, shopping, or socializing. Cybersecurity helps protect our sensitive data from unauthorized access and theft. Imagine your personal information, financial records, or private communications falling into the wrong hands. The consequences can range from identity theft and financial loss to a complete invasion of privacy. It ensures the smooth operation of businesses and essential services by protecting them from disruptive cyber attacks. Businesses of all sizes rely on digital infrastructure for their operations, from managing customer data to running supply chains. A successful cyber attack can disrupt these operations, leading to financial losses, legal liabilities, and damage to the company's reputation. For critical infrastructure like healthcare, energy, and transportation, a cyber attack can have even more dire consequences, potentially endangering lives. Moreover, robust cybersecurity measures help maintain trust and confidence in our digital systems, which is essential for the continued growth of our digital economy. As consumers, we need to trust that our online transactions are secure and that our data is protected. Without this trust, the adoption of digital services would slow, hindering innovation and economic growth. For businesses, maintaining customer trust through strong cybersecurity practices is not just a regulatory requirement but also a competitive advantage. To stay protected, it's essential to implement robust cybersecurity measures. This includes using strong, unique passwords for different accounts and enabling two-factor authentication wherever possible. Strong passwords are your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Using different passwords for different accounts ensures that a breach in one account doesn't compromise your entire digital life. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone in addition to your password. Additionally, using antivirus software and firewalls can provide an extra layer of defense against cyber threats. Antivirus software scans your system for known threats and helps prevent malware infections. Firewalls monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic to block unauthorized access, acting as a barrier between your internal network and potential external threats. The field of cybersecurity is dynamic and ever-evolving, offering a challenging and rewarding career for those with a passion for technology and problem-solving. Continuous learning and staying updated with the latest trends and threats are crucial for success in this field. That's a wrap on our introduction to cybersecurity. Remember, staying informed and vigilant is key to protecting your digital life. We hope this video has provided you with a good understanding of what cybersecurity is and why it's important. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos from the Mehran Engineers Forum. See you next time.